Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the League of Legends error code 0U, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go over to your keyboard, and basically what I want you guys to do is simply just uninstall League of Legends and then reinstall it, because that does help fix the issue as well. And if you don't know how to uninstall League of Legends, you can do that by clicking on the Windows key and R at the same time, and then go ahead and type in appwiz.cpl, and then this is going to come up. From here, just look for League of Legends, right click on it, and hit uninstall. Pretty simple. And then from there, once you uninstall it, go ahead and just reinstall it. And that's pretty simple. Just go to Google, type in League of Legends install, and yeah, and I'm pretty sure if you have it in Riot Client, you can just do it, right away. But yeah, anyways, once you do reinstall it, you should be good to go. I also do recommend restarting your Wi-Fi router as well. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is just unplug all of the wires out of the router, wait like a minute or 2 minutes, and then just plug them back in, and then you should be good to go. And then I also do recommend restarting your restarting your PC as well. And yeah, so those are all of the solutions for this fix. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.